Can we make bad vocals sound good? Let's find out.
I gave you all my loving, but you didn't.
Okay, we definitely need to do a pitch correction.
So that's what we did.
Then we threw some compressor just like that. Yeah, one and only reverb. And final vocals sound like this.
I need to know, I need to know. I gave you all my loving, but you didn't see.
If you want to see the full process, go on my YouTube channel and check it out.